Hello students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of 9th standard. Today I will discuss about material of earth crust rocks, that is this is the second part 2. Today I will discuss about sedimentary rocks. After the formation of the igneous rocks, the solid rocks of the crust led to the disintegration and started breaking into smaller particles into various sizes. They are breaking by the agents of denudation, and that is that the wind, water, river water, running water, or by seas, lakes, etc. Then this, whenever they are forming, means breaking up into smaller particles, and beside the river side whenever they are collected, then that is called sedimentary rocks. Thus the sedimentary rocks are composed of mechanical, chemical and organic sediments. They are formed to the agents of gradation by the river winds. Already I have told you, that is glaciers. Then the material form which is made organically, which come from the disintegration and decomposition of older rocks. These sedimentary rocks are also called the secondary rocks because they are formed by the sediments of the primary rocks and other rocks. Primary rocks means igneous rocks. From igneous rocks also they are forming. They are known as the stratified rocks, or means layer by layer as they are deposited. That's why they are called stratified rocks, or formed by the strata. The sediments get stored out according to their size. It means that the higher sediments settle down at the lower level and the smaller sediments settle in the higher level due to the gravity. Next we will come in the lithification. What is lithification? The combined process of compaction and cementation by which the unconsolidated rock material forming the materials are converted into the consolidated or coherent sedimentary rocks, that is called lithification. These soft sediments turn into hard rocks over millions of years by the process of compaction and sedimentation. Now, let's see what is compaction and what is sedimentation. Compaction means the pressure exerted by overlying layers helps to squeeze the sediments from hard rocks. That is only this compaction. And marlstone sandstones are formed when they are thus squeezed and loose with the water. Next we will see what is cementation. The loose sediments that are bound together and turned into hard rock due to the presence of cementing substance. We can say that is the example like that limestone, calcium compounds. These are called together whenever they are formed and binds with one another, then that is called cementation. The most common cementation are the calcite, silica and iron. Now let's see how it is classified. On the basis of the formation of the sedimentary rocks, it is classified into three ways. Now, number one, we can say mechanically formed sedimentary rocks. The agents of gradation by river, wind, glacier break the pieces into rock into smaller fragments and deposited them in the new areas where the new sedimentary rocks are formed. Then the mechanics of sedimentary, also known as sediments, clastic sediments, and older rocks fragments are weathered and eroded rock. They deposited the different agents by known as the different terms, such as the by glaciers, this is known as moraines, and they deposited when by wind, then that is called Lewis. In this way, different agents that whenever they are deposited, then we have given them different names. Second is that the organically formed sedimentary rocks. The organically formed sedimentary rocks are derived, accumulated by the organism, such as the skeletons of the marine animals, which one we have found in the corals, algae, like that, and limestone, chalk also in this type of sedimentary rocks. Then we can say that the petroleum, then natural gas, and the coal. These are peat, lignite, bituminous, also known as carboniferous rocks. These are also called the fossil. Fossil because that whatever the potential energy resources from thousands of years, and they reduce in a small plants and animals which buried beneath the earth crust, and then due to the great pressure and temperature they changes into new form. That is only called fossils. So fossils are also found in the sedimentary rocks. After that we will discuss about the chemically formed sedimentary rocks. These rocks basically formed by the processes of evaporation of water that contains mineral salt. In the tropical deserts, due to the high temperature, water of shallow lakes gets evaporated, and then these rocks, salt is left out, and then whatever the rocks are formed, that is only sedimentary rocks. Then example we can say that is rock salt, gypsum, potash, nitrate of these type of sedimentary rocks. Then rock salt also in the Dead Sea, Aral Sea, these are also found in Aral Sea, they are found. That is also chemically formed sedimentary rocks. Now let's see what are the characteristics of these sedimentary rocks. These rocks are formed by the process of, we have told already, that is consolidation of sediments, and then the rocks are commonly found in the water bodies wherever the seas are there, oceans are there, the lakes are there, beside there. The sedimentary rocks are formed into layers, layer by layer. That's why I told you that is that's why they are called the stratified rocks. Strata wise they are forming. Then number 4 we can say originally the sedimentary rocks might be soft but become hard in course of time due to the pressure exerted by the different line layers. Then we can say that the fossils are found in between these layers, which is very important characteristics of sedimentary rocks. I am finishing my video, the sedimentary rocks here. Next video I will discuss about the metamorphic rocks. Be with me. I think it will be helpful for you. Thank you.